Hi, in this video we will learn about aquatic plants. We will see examples of aquatic plants and different aquatic habitats where these plants grow. Aquatic plants grow in water. Aquatic plants are also called as hydrophytes. There are different types of aquatic plants which are floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. Let us see all these types of plants in details. First, let us see floating plants. Floating plants are spongy. They have number of empty spaces throughout their body which are filled with air. This makes floating plant very light so that they can float on the water. Few examples of floating plants are water hyacinth, water lettuce, which is also called as pistia, and duckweed, which is also called as wolffia. Okay. Second type of aquatic plant is fixed plants. Fixed plants have roots that are attached to the mud at bottom of the pond. These plants have long, hollow and flexible stems. They have broad and flat leaves that float on the water surface. Fixed aquatic plants have waxy coating on their leaves. Their stomata are present on the upper surface of their leaves that help these plants to absorb air. Few examples of fixed plants are lotus and water lily. Okay. Third type of aquatic plant is underwater plant. Underwater plants remain completely submerged in water. They have fixed roots at the bottom of the pond. These plants have narrow and thin leaves. They have flexible stems that offer little resistance to the water currents. These plants do not have stomata. They breathe through their stems. Hydrilla and tape grass, which is also known as Valesneria, are underwater plants. Okay, let us see important concepts we learnt in this lesson. We learnt about aquatic plants. We saw that aquatic plants grow in water. There are three types of aquatic plants, which are floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. Floating plants are spongy and very light, so they can float on the water. Water hyacinth, water lettuce, and duckweed are few examples of floating plants. Fixed plants have their roots attached to the mud at bottom of the pond. Lotus and water lily are few examples of fixed plants. Underwater plants remain completely submerged in water. Hydrilla and tape grass are few examples of underwater plants. Okay, hope you understood aquatic plants concept. I will explain more science concepts in my coming videos. Thanks for watching.